Penguins are primarily located in the southern hemisphere, with a major presence in Antarctica. Various penguin species inhabit warmer climates, demonstrating their adaptability. These warmer regions include Africa, New Zealand, Australia, and South America. There are approximately 18 different species of penguins, each uniquely adapted. Examples include the emperor, king, Adelie, African, and little blue penguins. Penguins are carnivorous marine birds primarily feeding on fish, squid, and krill. They are skilled swimmers, diving deep to catch their prey. Penguins possess a thick blubber layer and tightly packed feathers for insulation in frigid waters. Huddling in large groups helps penguins conserve body heat in extreme cold. Most penguin species reproduce by laying eggs, a process involving shared parental care. Both penguin parents typically share incubation duties to ensure successful hatching. Emperor penguins exhibit a unique incubation behavior, where the male incubates the egg on his feet. The male emperor penguin incubates the egg for approximately 2 months while the female forages for food. After hatching, both penguin parents actively participate in feeding and protecting the chick. Penguins play a vital role in marine ecosystems by regulating fish and krill populations, thus maintaining ecological balance.